Can you briefly explain about CLSCMP course?
Yeah, CLSCMP is Certified Logistics and Supply Chain Management Professional. So now it's all supply chain, the global supply chain. Logistics is, now an outdated. Logistics is mainly transportation, distribution, inventory management, custom clearance. When we talk about supply chain, so that is advanced stage. It starts from your supplier relationship, procuring goods, terms, then managing whatever goods you procured, manufacturing process, after manufacturing, finished goods, how to distribute, transport, deliver finished goods to your trade partners, channel partners, and finally to the end consumer. So these all are components or chains in a supply chain. These all have to be integrated. The student, here he will learn how these are integrated, various supply chain models, supply chain networks, and how it becomes functional. All pros, cons, permutations, and all other technical aspects will be covered in this certification.
Okay.